When cars get towed, repossessed, or traded in the high desert of California, they come here to get auctioned off. The cars get put up for auction. Coming up.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Let's go. So 32.
There you go, bro. What up, AJ? We get a deal today or what, bro?
Oh, yeah, just like this. I'm trying to buy one today.
You know, always.
Hello. Alrighty guys, welcome. I'm just gonna go over a few of the rules so we are all on the same page to make this all go quickly and efficiently as possible. First and foremost, welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here on a Sunday. All of these cars are gonna start driving for you guys, and the bidding will begin. Please be careful. All the cars are gonna park right over here. Auctioneer is gonna give you some information. At that time is when the bidding will begin. If you wanna bid on that car, just raise your hand, get the ringer and the auctioneer's attention, and it will go up from there.
All right, we got an E90 sedan right here. We're gonna check out the cars while the auction's going on. And this one's a clean one. A lot of people seem to like these newer or not newer, but newer than E36 and E46. These are E90s, E90 sedans. And they really get wet over the coupes. All right, so we got a Suburban right here as well. It's a new, oh, it's a Tahoe. It's a newer Tahoe. Looking pretty clean though. No rips, no tears, clean body, clean paint, clean title. You already know about that. 20s? Yeah, with the 20s. You got the 20s. 20s. Clean though. We got this Audi Quattro. It's a wagon. You don't really see wagons too much, but it's chill.
Italian job with Matt Damon. This is the car Matt Damon drove in the Italian job.
Pretty clean though.
Car number 8,
It's clean.
car number 8, car number 8.
We got this E46. This E46 is pretty clean. It's a coupe, 2-door. Interior's nice. Super nice.
September 2021, September 2021. I got 1,500. 1,500 going once, 15. I got 6 in the family, 17, 18, 19, 2000, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27 up front, 27, 28, 28, 29, 3,000, 31, 3100 going once, 3100 going twice, 3132. I got 3,200, 3,200 going once, 3,200 going twice. Anybody else? Last go. So 32.
There you go, bro!
Get everything you want. All the cars were sold today. All the cars were sold today. $1,000. Why not? $1,000. $1,000 going once. I got 11 the hat, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2,000. $2,000 going once. $2,000 going twice. $2,000 go 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27. 27 going once. 27 going twice. I'm gonna sell the car right over here. Got green in 27 once, 27 twice. Let's go. So 27 Green Bay. Oh, well, round of applause for Brett Favre. Only Green Bay play. Number 62 BMW Coupe. Tags are March 2021. March 2021.
It's open, no?
For free for you. You can say it was you. 500, 501, 505, 500, everybody else, last call. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 again, 19. 2,000, $2,000 going once, $2,000 going twice, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 they go once, 24 they go twice, 24, 25, 2,500, 2,500 go once, 2,500, 26. 26 when they go once, 20. This guy came with confidence. They just beat him up. 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 2800 going once, 2800 going twice for the fucking 29, 20, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Roll into the money. Here you go. 3,000 once, 3,000 twice. Anybody else? Last 31, 31, 31, 32, 3,200 going once, 3,200 going twice. Coupe 33, 33, 33, 33, 34, 3,400, 3,400 going once, 30, 35, 35, 35 when they go once, 35 on twice. Too good for your blood. Anybody else? Let's go. So $3,500. Give a round of applause. Number 32. Guys, $10,000 going twice. Anybody else? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 3,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 3,900 going once, 3,900 going 4,000, 4,000, 41. 41 cars, you guys in. 4,100 going once, 4,100 going twice, 42, 42, B-Net 4,200 going once, 4,200 going twice, and sell it. Sold $4,200, sold $4,200.
You excited?
Yeah!
That one.
Yay!
What'd you get?
I got a Honda.
Oh, heck yeah.
Bring it out to the car meet tonight.
Ah, there you go.
Right on. Thank you guys.
Yeah, bring it. All kinds of cars.
The fact that it's mine is awesome.
Got a car, there you go.
Watch me go drive away.
Hey, there you go.
The guy waits until, they get the most
yo,
money.
yeah, we don't need people to be on the
When
wall.
they bid,
they wait like 10-15 minutes per car.
Because they want the highest.
So they make sure they get the highest bid.
So maybe have supporters at this
right here,
service.
you're selling it quick and easy.
Hell yeah, we're trying to be out of here as fast as you guys are trying to be out of here.
Over there it takes like 3-4 hours just to get done.
Like hotcakes.
Yo, he's back. So you trying to get some deals today or what?
Yeah, man, I'm trying to get a lovely deal, man. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah. Hell
Bought the
yeah.
little cash, hit the bank, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
Man, make sure you. Of course, y'all got
There you go. Yes, sir. What'd you get?
the Volt.
Oh, dang. How much you get it for?
59.
Oh, damn.
2016.
Nice car, brand new.
Yeah, I'm not brand new.
Well, it ain't
but
brand
it has
new,
only
but-
60,000 miles.
I
on
drive
it.
90s and 2000 cars all day. Everything else above 2010 is brand new to me.
Oh, I gotcha.
I'm just stick. My truck stick, but I'm
What'd
shit
you
at
get?
it.
There's a Ford Focus? Okay.
Stick. I don't know if I'm going to later.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, come through. How was it?
Good, it ran good.
Ran okay? That's good, that's good. Yeah, I think your girl was telling me it was fast.
Yeah, it's fast, that car, yeah.
That's cool, that's cool, hell yeah. Thanks with the buck.
What's the deal, man? Y'all gotta come fuck with the auction, man. Y'all want to get y'all some good cars, man. You want to look like a star? Then come pull up to the motherfucking auction, man. Get your car real quick, man.
There you go, there you go. There you go, player. You get
This is my second time being here.
you got an okay deal?
Yeah, I did. But it needs a lot of work, though.
Oh, definitely.
What needs a lot of work?
Here, what'd you get?
Pontiac.
Oh, you got the Pontiac, for sure.
Tire burner.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro.
All right, see you.
All right, see ya, you too.